Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is round 3 of Spin the DIY wheel and I am very excited. And the only rules are that I can only use what I spin during the wheel, and next to that I can only use glue and paint. So here I have my DIY supplies that I can use, and I am going to give this the first spin. And I am going to use air drying clay. Okay. And with the air drying clay I am going to use curtain rings. I'm thinking. Okay, so do I want to stick to these two or give it another spin? Okay, so I'm going to give it a third spin. Lollipop sticks. That could be fun. So, for this DIY I am going to use air drying clay, curtain rings and lollipop sticks. So, I've got my air drying clay, I've got my curtain ring and the lollipop sticks. Now, I am going to kind of remake a DIY I did a long time ago, and I will link it somewhere up here. And this time I'm going to go halfway with the curtain rings, and then on top of that I am going to put some of these lollipop sticks. And on the bottom I need a bottom so it won't fall out, and that I can make out of the air drying clay. And we're back. So, what am I going to make this time? I am going to use skewers. I like that. And with the skewers, I am going to use again lollipop sticks. Okay, skewers and lollipop sticks. To spin or not to spin? Again. No, I'm going to leave it like this. So I'm going to make a DIY out of skewers and lollipop sticks. I've got 2 different kind of skewers and maybe I'm going to use both. I think so. And with that I have my lollipop sticks, and I think I'm going to make some kind of wall art. And I'm just going to try some patterns out till I like it. And then I'm going to glue it down with my strong glue or with my hot glue gun. the last round we are going to do. So, this time I am going to make a DIY with the thin rope. Okay. Thin rope, and I'm going to use, okay, with chopsticks. I'm going to spin a third time because I really don't know what to do. Picture frames. Picture frames. For this last DIY, I am going to use thin rope, chopsticks and picture frames. So I've got my 2 picture frames, and officially it's from IKEA, but I got them for 35 euros cents a piece at the thrift store. And here I have some wooden chopsticks and my tin rope. Now what I am going to do is that I'm going to take the glass out, and then I am going to make a jewelry stand out of this. Now thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked this round 3 of the Spin the DIY wheel, and if you liked it, please push the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. So today we are going to spin the DIY jewelry. Ja, stem. Ik hoop het is nieuw, ja.